Manage vendor quotes and compare total costs. Vendor quotation management begins in the procurement module, the strategic business purpose. Request for quotation. This screen centralizes the solicitation of competitive bids from external suppliers for specific materials. Closing date. This field enforces the deadline for all vendor proposal submissions. Subject line identifies the specific procurement project for clear internal and external communication. Material name. Selecting the correct item ensures that vendors provide pricing for precise technical requirements. Description provides granular details about the material to minimize procurement errors and technical discrepancies. Delivery date. This determines the required arrival time for the requested goods at the company facilities. Quantity. Specifying the exact volume required allows vendors to apply accurate bulk pricing and logistics planning. Delivery location. Identifying the destination warehouse ensures accurate freight calculations and logistical feasibility. Warehouse location selection enables the system to route materials to the correct physical inventory site. Department. Linking the request to a specific functional area ensures proper internal cost allocation and tracking. Employee. Identifies the internal requester responsible for the operational oversight of this specific procurement line. Staff. Contact details facilitate direct communication between the vendor and the internal procurement stakeholder. Security. Term defines if a financial guarantee is required to qualify the vendor for bidding. Preferred vendors. Adding established suppliers streamlines the invitation process by targeting pre-qualified business partners. Payment term. Selecting a standard template enforces corporate financial policies regarding vendor disbursement schedules. Terms and conditions. These legal frameworks protect the organization by defining the rules of the procurement engagement. Switching to the vendor portal enables external partners to view and respond to open solicitations. Unit rate. Vendors enter their competitive pricing here, which directly impacts the total financial commitment. Requested materials overview allows the vendor to validate their fulfillment capabilities against the organization's needs. Item specification. Detailed technical requirements ensure that the vendor's proposal meets all necessary quality standards. Payment plan. Vendors confirm their acceptance of the proposed financial milestones and credit day structures. Note: this field allows for additional qualitative communication between the supplier and the procurement team. Comparison. The system aggregates all vendor bids to facilitate a data-driven side-by-side evaluation. Final amount. This represents the total projected expenditure based on the vendor's submitted unit rates. Approve vendor. Finalizing the selection triggers the transition from a quotation to a formal procurement commitment. Remark. Documenting the rationale for approval provides transparency and accountability for the procurement selection process. Attachments. Uploading supporting documentation ensures a comprehensive audit trail for the final selection decision. Make order. Transitioning the approved quotation into a purchase order automates the fulfillment phase of procurement. This workflow ensures competitive transparency, audit compliance, and optimized cost management for all organizational acquisitions. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.